Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, hit that subscribe button below. Do it now. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today I'm just going to import the OS module into Python here, and I'm going to create a list here called current directory. Okay, and it's going to be empty. So what we're going to do, we're going to get the current working directory and we're going to copy it into this list here. So I'm going to create a subroutine called getcwd, which stands for current working directory. Okay, so the path is going to be equal to os.get current working directory. And now we're going to print os.get current working directory. Okay, so current directory, make sure I spell it right, directory here dot append to the path. And now we're going to create another subroutine called change directory. Okay, so we're going to create that underneath called change directory. Okay, so we're going to create a new path here, and the new path is going to be the path on my computer. This will vary. This will be different on your computer, so you'll have to get the path on your computer or else it won't work if you just copy this in. So, whoops, users mark documents. Okay, and we're going to say os.chdir, change directory to the new path. And then we're going to print out the new path. So new directory is, this is going to be new path. Okay, all we've got to do now is to call it. So we're just going to call it by calling it get CWD. Okay. Let's run that. So the current working directory that we got here was this. So we're in Documents Python, and the new directory which we changed to is this here, the new path. This one here. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment, just say hello or whatever, up to you. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.